If you want to make passive income with online videos, you can do that by translating content into different languages. With ElevenLabs, you can now speak Spanish, Portuguese, German, Mandarin, any language you'd like, and you can reach a much broader audience. And you might think, hey, it sounds super fake. Why would I want to do this with my own content or with someone else's content? Let me do an example where I speak German natively versus how I speak German dubbed. Das ist ein Test, zu schauen, ob ich wirklich meine Sprache übersetzen kann. Dies ist ein Video, das zeigt, wie ElevenLabs mein Video in verschiedene Sprachen übersetzen kann. Which of these two was AI? In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the exact steps that I do in order to translate content the right way. You can get started for free with ElevenLabs with the link in the description. So let's get started. The tool that we're going to use for this is called ElevenLabs, and they have something called a dubbing studio, which allows you to use AI in order to translate your content into different languages automatically without any effort from you. You can access this tool for free with the link in the description, but I just wanted to mention this is not a sponsored video. I just wanted to cover this tool, but I am using an affiliate link. So if you click that link, you will support the channel, but you get to use the tool for free. Once you're logged in with your account, you see the dubbing icon on the left-hand side. If you click on that, you are being located to the dubbing projects. I'm going to create a dub and I'm going to call this YouTube example 1. I'm going to select the source to detect it, and then the target languages that we're going to test today are going to be Spanish, I speak German, and then Chinese just for the fun of it, right? Let's click on upload. I have an example video that I just created in order to see how the translation sounds like. So I'm going to select that and I'm going to click open on this. It will upload it, and let's specify a few of the last things. I'm not going to click this for now, but I will cover what happens when you click that in just a second. I'm not going to select reduce the character usage by 33%. This will bring down your character usage, and you can see right here how many characters and credits it will use. The number of speaker is 1 person, that is just me, and the time range is the whole 30-second video. Now I'm going to select create a dub. And as you can see here, it is now processing my 3 videos in German, in Spanish, and in Chinese. While this is processing, let's create a dubbing projects. So let's call this example 2 dubbing project. And the same source file is selected, but this time I'm going to select on create a dubbing projects. The number of speaker is 1, and then the time range for the dub is the entire video. But now that we've selected create a dubbing project, we have to select which language we want to use. So in this case, I'm just going to click on German just because I speak German fluently, and it will be easy for me to improve on the dubbing project. Now we click on create a dub, and it is now creating a whole dubbing project that lets you edit the translated version. This is highly recommended for complex translations. But if you want your video to be translated automatically without any intervention from you, you should just use the regular auto translation feature. If we go back here, we can now see that our YouTube example 1 is finished processing and it has already dubbed the video. In the meantime, my dubbing project is being created and it's currently processing, but let's go and listen to the translated videos. All right, let's download these 3 videos and see how they sound like. Here's the one in German. Dies ist ein Video, das zeigt, übersetzen kannst, indem es mein Video ins Deutsche, Spanische und Mandarin übersetzt. So I first noticed that the first few seconds were a little bit drawn out because I didn't fully commit to that sentence, and the translation struggled noticing that. My language was perfectly cloned, and then the speed of the text was also decently matched. So I'm pretty happy with that already. Let's check how it sounds like in Spanish. So this is how it sounds like in Spanish. Este es un video que muestra cómo ElevenLabs puede traducir mi video a diferentes idiomas. First thing I'm noticing is that the lip sync is completely off. This probably has to do with how I phrased the example video, and it would have probably worked better if I just gave it a better take that has the right cadence and intonations. And I also dubbed it in Hindi just to see how it sounds like. Let's download this version as well. यह एक वीडियो है जो दिखाता है कि ElevenLabs मेरे वीडियो मैं ये देखने के लिए उत्सुक हूँ कि क्या ElevenLabs मेरे वीडियो का German spend. Alright, I don't speak any Hindi, so I don't know if that sounded good or bad. Let me know in the descriptions if you do speak Hindi and what you thought of that translation. So what we learned here is that it is super important on how you structure the input video, because if you mess up, then the dub will probably mess that up as well. But this is exactly where a dubbing project comes in play. If we click on this dubbing project and we open it, we see here that we can manipulate where we say what things. And this is super, super powerful. If we click on this video and we want to edit it to have the correct translations, we have access to all the things that were said in this video on the left-hand side, and we can even edit them. We can add dubbed speaker track, we can add voice tracks, we can add sound effects, and we can even upload separate audio if you have like background music or something you want to include in this. So overall, let's try to make this a little bit better and see if we can translate it into a better translation. So the first thing that I would edit here is I would just completely take out the first few steps here. This is unnecessary and I just had a bad take. This is I would take this out and I would probably take this out here. And there we go. Let's listen to it one more time. Showcases how ElevenLabs can translate my video into different languages. I am curious to see if ElevenLabs... Here it selects the right one. This is correct. How does this video sound like in German? This video is also really cool and I can't even test if my Chinese version is correct. Let's call this Hindi. And I can't even test if my Chinese version is correct. All right, so now that we cleaned it up and we did some edits, we can now go into the German version here. And here it gives you the one-to-one translations. I do speak German, so I can check if this is actually done correctly. Okay, the first line is correct. Second line is also correct. All of these lines are correct, so I don't even need to edit anything here. But let's see how it sounds like with the voiceover.
Dies ist ein Video, das zeigt, wie
All right, first of all, this is way too high. I don't know why it's so high. Let's see if the other ones are high too. Ob ElevenLabs einen guten Job. I'm gonna recompute the clone because it probably smushed the voice together because I shortened that video clip. Dies ist ein Video, das zeigt, wie ElevenLabs mein Video in verschiedene Sprachen übersetzen kann. This is already so much better. I'm very impressed. Ich bin gespannt, ob ElevenLabs einen guten Job macht, indem es mein Video ins Deutsche, Spanische und Mandarin übersetzt. The lip syncing is a tiny little bit off, but overall, I'm very happy with how this turned out. If we want to add another language, we select the plus button and we just type in this case, Spanish. And it will do the same thing that we saw here on the right side where it translated it line by line. I'm gonna recompute to make sure that it now translates it into Spanish and let's see how it sounds. Este es un video que muestra cómo ElevenLabs puede traducir mi video a diferentes idiomas. That is really cool. I mean, hey, this gives you full flexibility to translate each line, each step, but I think it's recommended that you speak the language that you're translating stuff into. Otherwise, you have no idea if it sounds good or if it sounds bad. I've created this complete guide on how to use ElevenLabs effectively and make the most out of the credits that you get from ElevenLabs in order to use it in your own projects. As you can see here, I even outlined how to make the most out of translating content and using translated videos to make money from them. You can check out my videos on how to use ElevenLabs effectively or download this guide if you're serious about taking your ElevenLabs game to the next level. This is a video that showcases how ElevenLabs can translate my video into different languages. I am curious to see if ElevenLabs is doing a good job by translating my video into German, Spanish, and Mandarin. Este es un video que muestra cómo ElevenLabs puede traducir mi video a diferentes idiomas. Tengo curiosidad por ver si ElevenLabs está haciendo un buen trabajo al traducir mi video al alemán, español y mandarín. Dies ist ein Video, das zeigt, wie ElevenLabs mein Video in verschiedene Sprachen übersetzen kann. Ich bin gespannt, ob ElevenLabs einen guten Job macht, indem es mein Video ins Deutsche, Spanische und Mandarin übersetzt. 这是一个展示 ElevenLabs 如何将我的视频翻译成不同语言的视频。我很好奇 ElevenLabs 是否能将我的视频翻译成德语、西班牙语和中文。Salthia Oscar Uriska. If you have any questions about this, let me know in the comments. If this video was helpful, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.